Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by verifying prerequisites: app version, accessibility permissions, and the content target. Open Instagram and confirm it's updated. This avoids behavior changes. Next, enable accessibility on Android or allow shortcuts on iOS so automation can interact. Choose whether you want to auto-scroll the feed, reels, or stories. This determines timing and gestures. Once done, prepare a simple automation. Set a short scroll interval and test on one post. These steps let you safely begin structured auto-scrolling. Now you build the automation itself. On iOS, create a shortcut that performs a swipe gesture repeatedly with a delay. On Android, set an auto-scroll profile and grant accessibility. Configure pace, short delays for quick browsing, longer for videos, because timing affects whether content has played fully. Make the gesture smooth if you want natural motion, or choose discrete jumps for precise reading. Also add stop conditions, a time cap, pause when you tap the screen, or a manual stop hotkey, so you retain control while it runs. Run a short test session of 30 to 60 seconds and watch how Instagram responds. This confirms timing and gesture accuracy. If posts skip or media won't play, make adjustments. Increase delay, change swipe distance, or toggle the smoothness parameter. When issues persist, re-grant accessibility permissions, ensure the Instagram app is up to date, and remove battery optimization limits that might kill the automation. One key troubleshooting tip: if the automation interacts with login or purchase prompts, stop immediately and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.